Tomorrow is finally the day that we get our fence. I'm going to try to stay out of their way, but I'm going to film as much as I can so you can experience the same excitement that I'm going to have. Oh, I can't wait. Man, it feels good to have somebody else doing all the hard work. These guys are going to be done with our fence today. They're going to have it built in one day. It's going to be so nice. So just to catch you guys up, I did go ahead and have a survey done, and we called for 1-1 to make sure all of our utilities have been marked. So we are good to go there. And so I'm going to run outside and see if I can get some good video of them removing our old gate and our fence on the other side of the house. They brought some really cool equipment, so should be kind of neat. So the way that we want our fence to be laid out is that we would like to have a privacy fence between our house and our neighbors going all the way down as far as we can go. And we did talk to the town. They said that we needed to line it up to about our front door. So that's why we stopped our privacy fence where we did. And then from that point on, we did a aluminum fence, a decorative fence, and so you'll see that going in. That's why the posts look a little bit different, is just because it's a decorative metal fence that's see-through, and that's how we were able to go further to the sidewalk. So right now they're just digging all the holes and getting as close to the property line as possible, because if we can get the town to approve it, I would absolutely love to have a new driveway for my car. I know it's not going to be a whole lot of space, but there is enough. We measured multiple times, so hopefully we'll get that done too. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of a problem on the side of the house, and the guys were so nice to give us ideas on how to fix it. The fence on this side, the panel comes in 8 feet widths, and unless we wanted to buy another very expensive panel just for a little bit of space, then it would have been super costly. So in order to do that, We kind of, to solve our problem, we moved the post away from the house a little bit, and then we had an extra picket that goes in between the fence, between the two posts, and they just screwed it to the side here. So now this space is filled, and I can now put some landscaping back here and actually try to fill in that, kind of just make it more camouflaged now that it's filled in. So I plan on putting lots of plants down here and make it super pretty, and you'll never know. Okay, so Keith told me to come inside. He's like, you're making them nervous because you're out there standing and watching them the whole time. And you know what? I was talking to one of the guys and he just kind of laughed it off. He's like, look, I would not be nervous at all if you were watching. I would be nervous if I didn't know what I was doing, but I do. So that was comforting to know that I'm not bothering them. But one thing that I do have to say about the lead is he is so nice to his guys. I know that they are friends outside of work. They did mention that, but at the same time, he is so encouraging. So the other guys are learning how to install this fence. It's a Trex fence, so it is kind of tricky to install. And whenever they'd make a mistake or whatever, he would come along and correct them. And of course, they're like, oh man, sorry to slow us down, whatever. And he's like, no, man, he's like, not a big deal at all. It's just a learning curve. It's totally fine. It's something we can easily fix. So he was just totally encouraging, supportive, and not really, I don't know, making them feel bad. And I was out there, I saw everything. So I don't think that he did that because of me, because I don't know that he knew that I was listening because I was kind of far away. But it was just encouraging that, hey, this is a good crew, just a good lead, encouraging them to just learn and be better and not tearing them down. So it was pretty, I don't know, encouraging to hear, someone else so supportive.